So we're here to change the earpieces, to put in new earpieces of the Bose Quiet Comfort series. I looked online, I was having so much trouble, I couldn't figure it out because, I took it off, but I couldn't figure out how to put it back in. And then I saw a video, it still wasn't that clear, but I'm gonna make it clear on how to do this. So you see, you pull out the old one and just pull, because it comes with a new, see, speaker here thing. You might as well just start clean. So just pull it off, and you can see it like leaves some remnants of stuff because it's a sticker, and it's no big deal, I guess, because we could just we has that. So I got this from Amazon. It's earbuds for that, and Amazon, they're like 30, 35 bucks. This was about 10 bucks. So, and they're the same. These are worn out. These are this. So these little stickers here go onto here. It's kind of a pain in the neck. So I'd be here all day, but I did them. I pre-did it just so you wouldn't want to watch me struggle with it. So I wasn't, see, you can see now I'm still struggling a little bit, and I redid it. So, see, there's little pieces right there, and you want to take that off. Probably could use tweezers. All right, so the one benefit about seeing these things is you know that where they're going to go. See that's where the old stickers were. And we're going to put the new stickers on now. So we'll attach the new one to there. And let's see, I'm going to put this one in first. Well, see, at first I thought it was going to go on the top until I saw that it actually goes over there. So we got probably could be over a little bit. All right, and then it's a little bit down. So I'm gonna lift it and move it up a little. All right, it's kind of secure but unsecure, but it'll be secured by the new thing. Now here's my problem, because I just pulled out the old one, right? So I was just trying to get it in, but what it is you'll notice there's little clips here, which no one really shows you. So these little clips right there, right there, right there, right there. And this piece goes under the clip. So even if you can't see it here well, so I just try to get it under the top one. This is just me. It's not like there's any way to do this. And then you just got to work it to get them under the clips. So once it's under the clips, it's secure. And that's it. So, oops, that's not it. See, I guess it wasn't secure. It wasn't under the clip. So I guess you have to be careful. And here we go. New, I already did the other one. New earpieces, cleaner, just as patty for the Bose. So that's it. Thanks for joining. And I got my new headphones, kind of. New earpieces.